Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you the decor for this Christmas 2020 for my little one. You guys, I am really obsessed with how it turned out. So please stay all the way to the end so you can see how it looks. It looks amazing. I'm like super obsessed. Even my oldest kids are obsessed that they all want Grinch next year. But before I start decorating, I have to get this room clean. And I'm realizing that I've never shared the rest of the remodeling of this room. I did share with you the galaxy that I did on his ceiling, but with the rest of the room, I end up not sharing anything. So what we did is just I paint the entire walls in a white color, pretty much the same color that I used on the others kids' bedrooms. And then I did paint the door in black, and as well as the outlets, I paint those black. So I just think those are like the perfect colors for this bedroom, especially because the focal point of this bedroom, it's the ceiling. And then I added LED lights. The ceiling looks amazing with the LED lights. But yeah, we are getting this bedroom all cleaned out. I am moving furniture. You can see in here, this bed, it's extremely heavy that I had to get some assistance from my son Oscar. You can see that I was literally laying down on the floor and pushing the bed with my feet while he was pushing me as well. It was super heavy, but we were able to move it in the place that we wanted. Since we are going to be moving his schooling area, his desk, into his room, we were trying to find a way where we wanted to put that table. And then Ivan did help me to clean his fan. It was also really dirty, and we did clean some of the areas around the walls, as there was a lot of dirt, and also the baseboard. He was really excited that we were done with his room because it was literally the last one. You guys know that I've been working in my other kids' bedrooms, and this was literally the last one that I needed to decorate it, and we are finally done. So we are going to continue with cleaning all of his stuff, just putting back all of his actual decor that he has in his room, and then that way I can know where I'm going to be placing the new decorations. I did a lot of DIYs, and I did share with you some of those DIYs that I did. These are the items that we're going to be putting in this bedroom. Again, that video with the DIYs, I'll be putting that up in the iCards and also down in the description. This is another 4 feet Christmas tree that I bought at Michael's, and he ended up staying with the white lights, which I'm fine with it because the lights are kind of like a warm tone, and it's literally perfect with all the decorations that we're going to be adding right now. At the beginning, I wanted it the color ones, but we were actually happy with how it turned out.
I bought it last year at Michael's, so it was like $3.99. And what I'm gonna do, since it's really long, this is a 4 feet tree as well, and it is a white lit tree. I am gonna start placing the garland a little bit higher than half of the tree, and then start rolling it around. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold one of the little branches with some of the other branches as well, so that way it can get attached. This is how it ended up, and you can see in there that there is an empty space, and down here as well. But once we start putting all the ornaments, we can start rearranging the shape. But this is so far what we did with the shape.
Now we're gonna start decorating the tree. This garland, I bought it at Hobby Lobby, and to be completely honest, I didn't even know where I wanted to place it. All I knew it was that it was perfect for a Grinch theme. So I end up putting it on the tree. It was like the perfect size. We tried to decorate around the whole entire tree, but then at the end, there was more decorations up on the front and on the sides, which it was fine because where we placed the tree, it was in the perfect area where you were only able to see like the front and the sides. So there was nothing on the back. And I try to put the colorful branches like through the outside because it kind of has like that glitter effect. And then on the tip of the tree, I added this twinkle lights that I bought them at Lowe's. I love them because they have different sets on how they turned on, and it's just perfect because I didn't want it to add another string of lights. So these twinkle lights were perfect because you can turn them off and then you don't have to be connecting them or anything. The only thing is that he has to connect one and then he has to kind of press the button on this one. And sometimes he does forget to turn this one on. But the only difference is that those are like battery used. And then for the ornaments, all these ornaments are from last year, and I did use all of these ones for the garland that I put on my staircase, which this year it's not going to be decorated, so that's why I'm taking an advantage of all of them, with the exception of a few decorations like those little trees. Those are from this year's and I got them at the Dollar Tree. I literally picked up a lot of decorations from the Dollar Tree that are Grinch theme. And plus last year I had a lot of these decorations because I had a elf theme, which I still love the elves, and I will still continue with decorating with elves later on through other years. All these peaks are literally the perfect colors for this theme. I love these ones that had like the little cupcake. I only had 2 of those. All of those pics are from Michael's, and they're literally like the perfect touch to this tree, and it's much easier. If you've noticed in here, I literally didn't use a lot of ornaments. All I used was 9 of the big ornaments, and I didn't even use the hooks, only with a few, especially the one that it's hanging, the red one. That it's the one that gives the Whoville tree effect. All of the peaks makes the perfect touch. And then I'm gonna add this 2 candy canes that are like strolled around, and it's kind of like the Whoville theme. Now we're gonna be adding this train underneath the tree, and I know that there is no train on the movie, but Ivan really wanted that train, so I was like, you know what, that it's okay. And you'll see at the end that it goes with a theme, at least in our ideas it goes with it. And in the bed, I'm gonna be placing this garland that I DIY, and it says Grinchmas. This is like the perfect idea that I had when I was doing this garland. All I had it to do is just put some of like the double-sided tape on the back of the little ornament, and then place them on the bed because they didn't want it to stay in there. And then for the background for his school area, we added a Christmas present that usually goes on the window, but he wanted to add it in there, and as well with the countdown till Christmas. And then on the other side, I added this signs that I DIY'd, and also the Grinch street that I bought at Hobby Lobby. He is putting the 25 days till Christmas, and this is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour on how it all looks. And this is what I was talking about. The theme is that the Grinch, it's ready to take all the Christmas presents, put them on the train, and just leave with them. The extra additions that we add in here was this dog putting the letter to Santa. It looks like Max, kind of like the one in the movie, and I thought it was so perfect to put it in this area. I did put this trees that I DIY. This the one with the bells. It's one of my favorite ones. I hope you guys enjoy this. I was super excited to film this, and my son was super excited to do this, and he is actually happy that his room is decorated for this Christmas 2020. Even my oldest kids are super excited about this room, that they want the same theme next year. So hopefully we can Grinch out some of the other bedrooms. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That will show me that you enjoy this type of content. Also, subscribe if you're not part of my family, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Turn on your bell so you won't miss any more on the upcoming videos. Happy holidays, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.